Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're not able to insert a YouTube video in your PowerPoint presentation. Now, you might come across an instance that you're working on a PowerPoint presentation, and if you want to insert a YouTube video in your PowerPoint, you may go ahead and click on Insert and then click on Video. Under Video option, there are chances that the online video option is grayed out, or if you click on online video you might see a message saying that use office connected experience. Now you can go ahead and fix this issue by clicking on or accessing the account privacy. There might be an instance that this option may not be available, so let's see how to fix this issue. Now to fix this issue, either you can go to the account privacy settings, or else you can go to file at the top left corner of your PowerPoint presentation and then click on options. Once you're on the option, you may go to the general tab. Under the general tab, you will have to scroll down and look for privacy settings. This is one way to access the privacy settings. Under privacy settings, make sure the optional connected services is being enabled. So once you check the box which says turn on optional connected experiences, you may click on OK. You may go ahead and click on OK. Click on OK again. In case if you have any PowerPoint presentation slide which has not been saved, save the PowerPoint presentation, close PowerPoint, try to reopen PowerPoint, and now you can try to insert the video in your PowerPoint and see if it works. So you may go ahead and click on Insert and then click on Video and then click on Online Videos, paste the URL and insert, and this should allow you to insert a video in your PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.